So installing and using pandas. This is what we will discuss here. So installing pandas on your system requires NumPy to be installed, and if you are building the library from source, requires the appropriate tools to compile the C and Python sources on which the Python is built, pandas are built. So details on this installation can be found on the pandas documentation. So if you followed the advice outlined in the first section and used the Anaconda stack, you already have pandas installed. Once pandas is installed, you can import it and check the version. So just as we generally import NumPy under the alias np, we will import pandas under the alias pd. Got the version here. So now import pandas as pd. So pandas has been imported. This import convention will be used throughout the remainder of the course.